Have you ever watched those videos where a tiny miniature house is built brick by brick from scratch? The entire construction process is incredibly satisfying, calming, and relaxing, which is why these videos attract millions of views online. Creating these realistic miniature construction videos is actually much easier than you might think. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I provided in the description into the chat box, then press Enter. ChatGPT will generate several creative ideas for you. Simply choose one of them, and ChatGPT will automatically create the first image prompt and all the motion prompts needed for the video. Great! Now all of our prompts are ready. Step 2. Create the first image. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI, Image Generator, Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT Image 2 model to create the first image. Next, copy the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your first miniature construction image will be created automatically. Step 3. Generate the videos. Now select the first image you created, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the CDance 2 model to generate all the video clips. Go back to ChatGPT, copy motion prompt 1, paste it into the prompt box, adjust the duration and resolution settings, and click Generate. After a few moments, your first construction video clip will be ready. To make the entire video feel like a continuous building process, we need to maintain visual consistency between each scene. First, go to the final frame of the first video and take a screenshot. Use this final frame as the starting image for the second video. Next, go to Image to Video and upload the saved final frame screenshot. Then return to ChatGPT, copy motion prompt 2, paste it into the prompt box, adjust the duration and resolution, and click Generate. Your second video clip will now be created seamlessly. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Remember, the final frame of the previous video should always become the first frame of the next video. This is the key to creating a smooth and continuous miniature construction sequence. Step 4. Combine all videos, arrange all generated clips in the correct order on the timeline, and remove any unnecessary sections. To make the transition smoother, you can add a round zoom-out transition between clips and set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Finally, click Export to render and save your completed video. Now let's take a look at the final result. These realistic miniature construction videos are not only fascinating to watch, but also surprisingly easy to create. Download Edimakor today and start making your own miniature worlds.